Hey, but the dog. Never mind, I'm gonna start, okay? Hi everyone. Not sure if this is working. Let me check on my... Can anyone write if they can hear me? On chat? Well, whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna use NASA's API. Let me share my screen. Here you go. Okay. Okay, so we go to the website and we can use any name to generate the API. Hi, thank you so much for answering. Hi guys, thank you so much. Okay, so I'm gonna generate any API. Hey at gmail.com, and yeah, sign up. You guys probably know, if you're part of 100 devs, Leon showed us this API, so you probably heard of it. Okay, so I'm a little nervous. I'm like I keep looking at my chat. I'm gonna focus here on the coding part, okay? So let's see the documentation. This is the API key, but I know there are other, okay, here, other keys that I can use. So since today it's Earth Day, yeah, I'm gonna use this other one, this Earth Polychromatic Imaging Camera. Okay, so I'm gonna open now my VS Code. Oh no, this is the terminal. I'm sorry. My VS Code. And let's make it big. No, not open folder. New file. No, not new. Okay, let me do this. Let me create here. So new folder, NASA API. And then here I want to create the CSS. Well, I need to create the HTML as well. But yeah, probably I can do it. I'm gonna drag it here. Okay, got it. Now I'm gonna also put the HTML index.html. This is actually really good to practice for interviews, because you need to keep saying what you're doing at the same time, and it's really good practice. Yeah, I should do that more often. Okay, so let's use the basic NASA API. Okay, so I'm gonna put an H1, just NASA API again. Let me just check one thing. I don't know if you guys can hear my dog. She's walking around. She wants to see what I'm doing. Okay, so let me just go back to the documentation. Okay, so I can get an image, or I can choose an image or date. Oh, thank you, Alexander. Alex, yay, thank you. You really helped me today, like setting everything up. Thank you. I ended up using OBS. You know, I tried Twitch Studio, but it wasn't like that as easy as I thought. So I ended up. Oh, thank you. Yes. Now it's just the coding part that I'm nervous to do it, like in public. But I was saying it's good. It's a good practice, you know, for interviews, because then like. Oh, thank you guys. Okay, I'm gonna keep coding. I'm better at like talking to people than coding, so I need to practice that. Okay, so I'm gonna probably get a date from the API, like we did at 100 Devs at the homework. So I'm doing something similar, okay? I'm just beginning, that's why. Okay, so I'll probably use this API here with the date. Let's go back to our code. Okay, here you go. So I need an input. No, type date. Oops, date. And then after that, we need a button. And choose date. Okay. Now let's open the... Could you make your font size bigger? Might just be my harbor. Yeah, sure. Let me find out how can I make it bigger. Probably, let's see. Do you guys know where to make it bigger? Oh, thank you. I probably know all of you from Twitter. And like, it's hard to know just by the name on Twitch. But thank you so much, guys, for joining, for tuning in. Okay, so let's see, preferences, setting, maybe. You can do, oh, cool. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Command, control, okay. Oh, nice. You guys can see that now? Thanks. I think it's better. Oh, nice. Yeah, I'm excited as well. Okay, great. Let me keep going. CSS. Let me think. Yeah, style.css. Just in case. I'm also gonna get the template for the normalize. I'm gonna copy. I know I can get from the internet as well. But let's paste. Okay, normalize. Oh, here I need to... Hey guys! Thanks for following. Yeah, exactly. I'm also gonna connect my style sheet. So CSS, href, yes. No. And again, the no, CSS here. Okay, got it. Yeah, I think for now that's good. We're gonna need a place for the image, but I'm gonna go to JavaScript now. So main.js, just to see what we need. At the okay, normalize before. I didn't know that. That's amazing. So I have a question for anyone that streams. Can I hear when I get a new someone like comments, sends a message on the chat? Can I hear like a bling? Because I'm not hearing anything, so I need to keep looking at the screen. But it would be helpful. It's my first time. I just set it up today. I spent the whole day doing that. Okay, let's save it. Don't need that. I can use that. I'm using OBS. That's true. No, it's not gonna be crazy because I'm not Leon. Like I have a few people only, and I want to know when everyone is writing on the chat. Can you guys hear me well? Just wondering. I have headphones coming. I might buy a microphone. Depends how it goes. But this is a start. Thank you. Thanks, Alex. Okay. So main.js, I'm gonna use the fetch function. And I'm sorry guys, but I'm gonna take a look at Leon gave us a template to use. Yeah, we can hear you well. Audio is very clear. Actually, I'm not sure how to. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna look it up on YouTube. It's fine. Oh, how to do? No worries. Yeah, we're all gonna learn that. If I find out, I'll let you guys know. Okay. Scott, do you stream as well? By the way, I didn't know that. That's nice. Yeah, so I'm. Hey, Esteban! That's so nice. Thank you for joining. Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna keep doing. I just created my Twitch. Yay, nice! Yeah, let's start doing that. It's not easy, the first one, honestly, but we gotta start, right? We gotta start at some point. Okay, so document. I'm gonna set the event listener for the button. Okay. Oops. Click. Yeah, we're gonna call it get. We're gonna call the function get fetch. Okay, so I'm gonna use Leon gave us like a template, so I'm gonna show you guys get fetch. Probably whoever is doing 100 devs as well. Oh, I need a donate button. That's true. Have to run. Of course, Alex. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you have a great weekend. And I saw your stream last night. It's coming along great, honestly. You're building a great product. Okay. So, wait. Let me get the template. No, I think I can't. Is this the console log? Oh, here. I think that's I'm gonna use something else. Yeah. This is just the template, so I'm gonna change. Oh, here, yeah, I'm gonna put here the URL. So let's use const API. No, const URL equals, let's get this, let's find out. I have so many things open. Okay, so backtick, because we want to create a template literal. And probably we're gonna change this. Let's call it choice. So let me just remember where am I gonna put the choice? Let's go back to the HTML. Input. So document query selector. No, that's not true. Here. One second, guys. I'm a little confused here. Function. No, I think I did something wrong. Function. Let's start it again. Get fetch. Okay, so const choice document dot query selector input value. Okay, let's console log it. Just to check what's going on. Is it right? I'm honestly gonna delete this. Okay, so I'm gonna just move a little bit my screen. So we have the query selector, we have the URL, we have function, the function. Okay, we're taking the value from the input, we're logging it. Okay. I think I'm looking at the wrong thing. Oh, yes, I think so. Okay. Now I got it. So I think I should put the URL inside. Probably I should have, hey, how are you? Thank you for joining. Probably I should have, hi, yes, nice to see you here. Probably I should have just went with like code wars instead of trying to do an API, but it's a good practice, like doing APIs. Okay, fetch URL. Then res.json. I'm doing great. I was a little, oh, thank you. I was a little nervous, but honestly, now I'm feeling better. Like, you know, yeah, everyone uses like different names. It's really hard to know. Hey, you sell latte. Thank you, and thank you for joining me here. My first stream. Dominers. I know. I feel I know all of you already. I'm a natural like talking to people, you know. I'm an extrovert, but not, like coding, you know, doing everything at the same time is not easy. Okay, so please tell me on the chat, you know, if I'm doing something wrong, or like, oh, Julia, you should do this better. I'm gonna try to explain like step by step what I'm doing, so it's gonna be easier for you guys to understand. This is just the like template that Leon gave us to fetch the API. I'm just looking at, I have another screen here. Yeah, so I have 3 screens. I'm lucky. So one of the screen is you guys here, the OBS. The other one is like what I'm coding, and the other one is the template. You know. Yeah. Okay, JSON. Because here I'm like parsing the response as JSON. Yeah, it's pretty handy. It's really good. Choice console log. Yeah, no, I haven't. Let's try. Oh, I haven't. Oh. Let's open browser. Let's choose a random date. No, so it's not coming. No choice. Why am I opening the terminal? I'm like used to, now I'm used to git add, git commit, git push. I'm gonna like hide it. Yeah, hide it. Okay, not hiding it. Did you include? Oh, that's true. Scott, you're a master. I did not. So true. Yeah, he's great. I think I need some private lessons, Scott. Okay, let's go back then. Refresh. Random date. Okay. Is it too small for you guys to see on like the browser? It says I have an error. I forget the reason why, but script tags are generally included in the head tag. You can include it in the body though. Oh, I didn't know that. You know, honestly, Leon, he puts in the... it's not zooming the console. It's only, can you guys see? It's now it is. I think it's good, right? Like this, right? Yeah. So uncaught reference error. Choice is not defined and main 59. Oh, if Leon is putting in the body tag, I think that's fine then. Forget why you put in your hand. Hover over on console. Yeah, that's what I did. Thank you. So we need to go to line 4 or 59. I never know. I think line 4, right? So my phone is... Thank you. Good to know. Okay, let's... How do you guys deal with that? Do you guys like look at both errors or like you go one by one? Let's say line 4 character. Okay. Line 4, character 59. I don't know. Scripts are put at the bottom because the page will load before. Yeah, thanks for that. Okay, so let's go back. I forgot what the error was. Choice is not defined. Yeah, we didn't put a choice. Oh, actually we did put the choice. Let me look what I'm doing wrong. Why? Okay. Maybe this is wrong. Move const URL in the function. Oh, okay. Yeah, you're right. Like here below. Also, if you want to. No, I really want you to help me. You know so much. That's why I'm also like doing this stream, you know, because I get to learn from other people. After const choice. Okay. It's good for like to practice talking, but it's good to learn from other people. You guys are so nice to be here. Like my first stream and I'm such a beginner. Okay, let's try it. Oh, nice. No, we just got we console log the choice, but that's what we wanted, I believe. Console log choice. Yes, so let's keep going. Fetch URL dot then. Okay. Yeah, thank you. Then data. So I'm creating I don't know what's the name of this. Console log. This is just like what Leon gave us. Data. So let me check again. You need an API key to replace. Oh. So I did here, look. I actually did. Ah. What's the calendar in the input? Yeah. I'm gonna show you the HTML. So let's go back. I'm gonna show you, here's the HTML. I added an input element and a button. So it's very basic, but yeah. And we can't forget to link the style sheet and the script, because that's why I wasn't able to, yeah, I wasn't able to, I wasn't seeing it on the browser. So here I'm gonna change demo key to my key. Maybe it's gonna work. Okay, going back here. Yay! Okay, I got an array, an array, array with objects, right? So let's open object on index 0. Yes, that's so nice. First try. No, it wasn't first try. Index 0. What we want? We want the image. That's it. Oh, maybe the caption. Like this image was taken by. No, I don't want the caption. Just the image probably. Yeah. This wasn't the best API to choose, honestly, but it's okay. So now you guys have to help me loop through the array, because I kind of forgot that. I know it's a method, so let's go back to the code. No, inside. Oh, wait. I need to put the error. I honestly don't know why do we need to put that. Scott, maybe you can tell us. You're right. So let's take a look again and at what we got and maybe what we can take from the API. Just 1 second. Hey! That's so nice, Anthony! Thanks for joining. Wow. Honestly, thank you guys, really. So catch is used when an error is thrown in any of the methods, and it will. Oh, okay. So it will show us the error. Like it will show us that it's an error and it didn't work. Okay. So let's take a look again at what we got like from the API. Basically, there's nothing we can use then, right? Oh, Sean, I'm so sorry. I don't know why I was thinking Scott. I need to scroll up. Did I like read Scott? Maybe. I'm so sorry. Yeah, for example, if you took out your API key, it should throw an error. Okay. But honestly, there's nothing I can use. Let's look here. It's a bunch of coordinates, like latitude, etc. So I don't want that. No. Let's take a look at another API. You can start using this. Let's take this one then. I'm just gonna change here. So, and then I'm gonna add choice at the end. Let's see. What we're gonna get. Save. Just get a random. Get API NASA. Forbidden. Why is that forbidden? I wonder if you can use that image. Dot catch errors that occur in any of the chain dot than before. And console log it. Cool. Yeah, it's good to know that. So main. Oh, API code invalid. Let me. Okay, this is the whole API. Open up the. Here, let's open up. Get fetch main. When you added the choice to it. And where should I add the choice then? Bilal said add like okay, let's try the slash. Like this? URL after your call. End date. Oh, okay. So here, in front of the API key. Should I do like this? Date equals. Yeah, and I'm gonna delete here. Is it right? Either before or after, but separate the API key and the date with. Let's try it. No, forbidden, still forbidden. Yep, that works. The other of the URL. Okay, Anthony came to the rescue. Let's check. Date equals choice and API. Okay. Yeah. See API documentation. And API key. Okay. They don't have a lot of documentation. Look, this is the documentation. Let's just try. Oh, we got it. Nice. Third try. I'm trying to do like Leon says. Cool. So now, look here. This one looks better. The URL. Media type image. Okay, so let's go back to our code. And I'm gonna add an H2. Sorry, let me go back just 1 second. Gabriel Rodrigues Santos. This is probably a Brazilian name. There's an explanation. Oh, this is copyright. Probably he took the picture. Explanation. The URL for the picture, the image. Okay. So I have a question. No. Oh, these two are the same. HD URL and URL. Oh no, they're not. Look in the end here. There is 1100 in the end. Unless the parameter starts at the beginning of the URL, then you don't need the, okay. Thanks, Rita. Grab the title to put in H2. Probably a higher quality image and different size. Yeah, let's go with this one then. Okay, H2, I'm gonna put the title. So for now, I'm not gonna say anything. And then an image tag. And do I have to put the source? No, right? I don't need to put the source. Okay, now let's go to my code. Console log choice. And here. So I would say document dot query selector H2. No. Ticks H2. Yeah, these two are different pictures. Maybe we can check them out. I know it's Friday. I picked the worst day for a stream because it's time to be with the family, right? And to chill. No one wants to look at code on Friday evening. So next time I'll choose another date. I was just excited. I wanted to do my first stream. That's why. Okay, dot value, I think. Or no, not dot value. How well, I'm still at work. Oh, I think, yeah, we're on a different time zone, right? Yeah, I think so. Value equals, I'm gonna be looking at coding. I think we all do. Let me look here. Okay, so it's not dot value, it's dot inner text. Now you guys tell me, const image document. Oh yes. For the image, I was putting for the h2 document dot query selector image and image dot src. Do I have to put the image dot or I thought I can just put src like that. Equals data dot, I think they have another name, hd url. And here I want the h2 to have explanation data dot explanation. So I have a question. Why here I would put inner text instead of value, you know, like this? Because I know I want to pull the text, add a text, but value wouldn't work. Actually, I could try, but let's see if this one works first, and then we'll check the other one. Yay! Because it will not work for HTML inner text like the text. Look, guys! Wow! That's beautiful. Give me a random date. When is your birthday? No, wait, not yet. Let's first go to CSS. I want image max width, I think like 200 pixels. Just let's check if it looks better. No, too small. And the text is too big. I think because it's H2, maybe I should change to like a P. I'm gonna put P, a paragraph. Value is a different attribute on some other tags. Okay. That's why we use inner text with H2 and other tags like. Oh, okay. So I have another question. You use the title in H2 and style the description. Okay, I'll do that. You guys are really helping me with my code, but like it would be really nice if I could hear you. I know it's not possible on Twitch, but if I could hear you, would that be considered pair programming? That's how it works. Like someone is coding and the other person is looking and they say, oh, do this, do that. I've never done pair programming, but a lot of people told me to do it. Use the title in H2 and let's find, is there a title? Date, explanation. Oh, title, nice. Okay, let's do that. Somewhat, pair programming is also where you both share control over writing the code as well. You know, but when you share control over writing the code, you need to do with someone that is at your level. For example, I couldn't code with you guys because you guys know a lot more than I do. Oh, nice. Good to know. Not necessarily. Yes, I'm sure you do. So let me put this down here. H2. The point is to learn. Yes. I love like the tech community. Everyone is so helpful. Everyone has been really helpful to me. That's really amazing. They don't have that in other industries. Okay, so yeah, I think the H2 is good. Let's do document dot query selector pre-comment support. P and dot inner. I think it's great to code with people of different skill levels. Even after years of experience, I'm still learning a lot from everyone I work with. That's true. Inner text equals data dot title. Okay, so let's check again. Undefined? I did something wrong. Yeah. I'm gonna go back to the code. So document query selector in a text dot here title. Is that why? Explanation. Save it. The date is too far. Oh, let's go back. Oh, that because it's 400, a bad request. I didn't even read what the error was. I just saw like error, like red. Let's go back to the code. I didn't even read. It's great because I have you guys. Yeah. I just saw the red and I said I did something wrong. The API is getting pictures that have already been taken for future data. Maybe aliens know what's the future, like the future in future data. We put a future data. Always try to read and understand. Yeah. You know what I have been doing? Like I'm playing around with APIs, and when I find an error, I come across an error, I Google it and like I try to understand it. Always try. But here on stream, I just wanna I wanna pretend I know everything. No, I'm kidding. Take that error message and then I'll put in the catch block. I see if I'm. Yes, for sure. I'm getting used to reading JSON. Yeah. Here the HTML. So yeah, I have the H2 and the P tag. So it should work. Yeah. Yeah, it's really hard for me to read JSON, and honestly, I'm still having a hard time like working with objects. We learned it probably like 2 weeks ago, where we have a break. We had a break this week, but objects is really hard for me. So I should practice more, maybe on Code Wars, or he told us to do Code Academy also. I haven't done that because I was like planning the stream, and what else was I doing? I've been a lot on Twitter as well. Yeah, Twitter is like, I wouldn't say Twitter is a waste of time, but you can spend a lot of time on Twitter. Can be very distracting. So I think it should work. Let's check it again. Hey, a new follower. Nice. Thank you for following. Yeah, I'm oh, okay, I see why. Okay, let's go to 6. Yeah, true. Yay, okay, we got it. Now what can I do? I can like make some improve the CSS, the styling, like center everything. But I want to play more with JavaScript. So should I add more things here? Media type, image, explanation. No, there isn't much else to do here, right? Like with what I got. Oh my god, there is a prototype here. No way. Okay, it's not bad. These are functions, a constructor. Assign, create, define. No idea. These are like methods, right? What about a button? Oh, that's a good idea. A good idea. I'm gonna leave it as it is. And the CSS, I'll do it by myself. Or like later, you guys don't need to be here. Let's add another button. But now I'm gonna ID random. No, I'm gonna put it up here. Okay, so try to add more than one image and explanation using higher order functions. Bilal, that's way above my scope. I don't know how to use higher order functions. It shouldn't be hard to elements in DOM dynamically. You need something between the tags of the new button for it to show properly. You mean here? Okay. So randomize with a Z? Yeah, I think so, right? Sorry guys, English is not my first language, so I might make some mistakes. Honestly, it used to bother me a lot. I'm venting. Like Anthony said, I'm venting now. It used to bother me a lot, like my accent, and that I obviously make mistakes, you know, but I don't care about it anymore. Like I now I want to focus on learning code and like getting better at it. And you know, my English is not perfect, but I speak 4 other languages. So yeah, that's something else that Americans don't do. Okay, so yeah, let's randomize main.js. So document.query, no, get element by ID. What's, I forgot, randomize? No, random. What languages? I speak Portuguese, Spanish and French and English, like a broken English. But I do speak English. At least you guys can understand me. Yeah. Anyone speak Spanish here or French? Okay. So here, random. What am I gonna do to make it random? Thank you. Thanks, I really appreciate it. Okay, so I've done this randomizing with another API, but they had a specific API, like a random one. I don't know how to use the API that I have now to randomize, you know. Maybe like looping through their server. How about a random date? Yeah, that's a good idea. How would you go about doing it? I think this is okay, but I have to create another function, right? There's probably another API endpoint that lets you. Yeah, let's check it. Let's make our lives easier. How do I see a pod here? You guys can, and you'd get multiple results and have to loop through them. Yeah, documentation. So date, start date and end date. So you guys have to help me. I don't know how to... So it looks like you can use the same API endpoint. Okay, so I can keep this API, but I need to change this, right? Just instead of date, use start date and end date. So like that, start date. Okay, let's check. And we forgot about the randomize. An unexpected token and line 17. No, it's not. Oh, this is maybe... It's not unexpected. So, 1 second. I'm getting a message here. Just 1 second. Channel. I need to finish. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna comment it out for now. By the way, I have something else to tell you. I just bought a new Mac. Like, I had a personal Mac before that I never used because I was using my work computer for everything. Don't tell them. And the work computer is like a Windows. And I'm not good with Macs. So I really need to practice using a MacBook, you know, the keys and shortcuts. Oh, Anthony, if you're telling me that, then it's fine. Good to know. Yeah. Just end with a dot if you use the start point. Choose generate a random date string. Const. I'm just copy what Rita told me. Holy. Okay, Rita. Where should I put this const? Should I put it here? Const. Now you gotta explain it to me. Const random date equals new date dot get time less math dot random times new date dot get time. Okay, this is a new const. Const random date string equals random date to isos string. Oh, too much for me. I'm gonna comment it out. Maybe we'll get back to it later. I'd rather just talk to you guys. You know, do a big coffee chat. Yeah. Sometimes I think, why did I have the idea of like streaming me coding? Let's go back then. I'm just gonna test. I forgot what I was doing. Okay, File not found. Oh, we should do a group coffee chat. That would be great. Uh-huh. I can be the moderator. I don't mind. Mm-hmm. True. Great idea. Do you want to be that person? Anthony? You would be a great person to be on stream. Oh, nice. You know what I thought? Like, I thought of streaming, not streaming, but like recording my coffee chats. You know, asking some questions, because everyone, at least from 100 devs, they want to know as well the things that I ask on the coffee chats. I forgot. Oh, yeah, you're really good at data, right? SQL, SQL, and Python. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna write it down, and I'm gonna really get you guys on stream, on my stream. Yeah. Let's get this done. Cool. Java more than Python, but I can make that work too. Yeah, Java. I've heard a lot of Java. Who told me? I think someone that works at Google told me that they mostly use Java. Not sure it was Google or Netflix. Anyways, yeah, Java is pretty important. So I keep getting chat identity. I keep getting some. Almost everything on Netflix is Java. Yeah. But it's just backend Java, right? I think we're learning JavaScript because it's both front end and back end. Yeah. So it's easier for us. But yeah, like once you know one language, yeah. React. React is front end? Yeah, true. Okay, let's try to wrap this up. Node.js equal. Oh. So that's why Leon is gonna teach us all of that. Node, the MERN stack. So M is for what? MERN. Node. Oh, MongoDB. Express, MERN, React, and Node. Okay, yes. Yeah, true. Cool. I'm really excited. You know, I sometimes I feel like I'm not learning that fast as I should, because I think everyone thinks that, you know, we put a lot of pressure on ourselves. Oh, I should know already how to manage APIs, you know, like I barely know that, but I tell myself it's okay, you know, like even if it takes me more than a year to get into tech, to break into tech is fine. As long as I keep doing that, you know, as long as I keep studying. So that's what I tell myself every time, because otherwise I would go crazy. I'm studying every day. Besides my current job, I'm studying every day. Node.js, are you computer? Oh, cool. Good to know. Thanks, Rita. So yeah, I'm studying every day. Barely have like social life right now, because no, I do. I go to a few meetups. I'm meeting a lot of people from 100 devs. It's really nice. But yeah, it's not easy. So it's really nice to have your support. You know, you at least you guys on Twitter or here. It's a runtime environment. You mean Node.js? Take your time and pace yourself. Yeah, you're right. I think we are, like everyone that's trying to break into tech, they want to do it like quickly, you know, but it's not magic. Like I posted on Twitter, coding is not magic. Like you gotta take time, and you know, it's logic. So you need to understand how things work. Yeah. Um, I think I'm gonna get an error again. Yes. I don't even know why. Is it too bad in a stream if you don't finish what you were planning to do? Like I say, oh guys, let's wrap it now. It was a nice stream. I did a little bit. I got my first dev job about a year after starting to learn. That's great. So I started learning in January, like learning every day. Cause last year I did a course on Python. It was a course online from Stanford, and it was like 2 months. But I did it on and off, you know, and I didn't take it seriously. But I have been taking it seriously now. So every day since January 11th, I've been studying, even on weekends, and even when I went to Portugal to visit my family, I was studying. And you know, the bootcamp ends in August, and I'm planning, you know, like if I get a job by the end of the year, that would be amazing. But if not, like maybe next year. Some people stream the same code for weeks. Oh, cool. It's fine to stop streaming whenever you like. Don't have to finish. Great. Thank you, guys. But I like talking to you, you know. Maybe like from here we could jump to a video chat. So yeah. And also, for you that don't know, I have a background in marketing. Actually, I have a law degree, and I also have a background in marketing. So I was thinking maybe like transitioning to tech, I could use the marketing skills that I have. A lot of people that I've been talking with on coffee chats, some of them, they work for like marketing agencies. I'm gonna change my screen. Easier. Hey guys. It's better now. I'm not coding. I want to talk to you. So yeah, a lot of people, they work at like marketing agencies or advertisement agencies, and they said it would be a good first place to work. Oh, you started in marketing, like coding, but like dev job, software developer. Can I say that? Or software engineer or web developer? I always get confused. Yes, digital marketing. That's what I do, basically. But I wanna be more hands-on, you know, more hands-on with coding. So maybe like transitioning from digital marketing to something. I worked on MailChimp. Yes. I feel you like your coding background and your law degree could do to Lexus and Nexus alone. Oh, good to know. I never thought that I could use my law degree. Benefit from. Yeah, that's why it's good to talk to people, because they have different ideas always. But yeah, so I really like start studying GD. Oh. Okay, I'm writing it down now. I've heard of it. It's like related to compliance, right? Like the internet. Let's Google it. Since we're on stream, let's go back here and Google what he means. Yeah, privacy in Europe. But they don't have it here in the US, do they? Oh, you're giving me some good ideas, Anthony. Good to know. Good to know. Yeah. By the way, I forgot what I was saying. Because you. Uh huh. Yeah. Okay, so let's see, 611. Yeah, GPR doesn't apply in the US. Yeah, I still have to worry about it. Presence. Hey, Julia. Oh, Eddie! Oh my God, you're here? Oh, guys, you're so amazing. Thank you for joining me. You must be like so busy. Thank you for making time to join my stream. Good morning. You're in Bali, right? I hope to see you in Portugal when I go there in during the summer. I'm gonna go visit you in Porto. We're gonna geek out. Yeah, I was talking to my streamers. I did some API, some NASA API, but like I'm just gonna stop right now because it's Friday night. I'm glad I didn't miss. Yes, thank you so much. Oh yes, I hope so. Today was just a rehearsal, seeing how it works. Oh, cool. Okay, I'll probably go in August then, because I just saw my family, and I always plan on going. Like I seeing them every 3 or 4 months, so I'll probably go in August, and I'll let you know. Hey, when is the next? So honestly, I planned it. I put it on the calendar for Fridays at 5 p.m. But it's not a good time because Friday, you wanna unwind and you don't wanna really code. I know everyone that's watching, they like to code all the time, but maybe Wednesday I'm gonna change the time. Maybe on Wednesday. Yes, for sure, Eddie. Thank you so much for joining. It's really nice. Yeah, so probably Wednesday. I'll check it out. And on if you're still here, Eddie, you're like a big motivation. I want to start doing also YouTube videos. Like once I get better at it. But yeah, I want to start doing YouTube videos, etc. Like you do. Yeah, you post great content. Thank you so much. Yeah. Okay, so yes, YouTube videos. Like I was telling you, like even for beginners, today was my first time doing anything for public, like in public. Um, but I don't know what to say. Like even now, I was coding the API, and I don't know. Like I get really nervous, so I don't know what to say on the YouTube video. On my Friday and only programmer. Yeah, I'm gonna try to think of a topic to do a YouTube video. But yeah, it was good, learning in public. It was a good first try now. I'm gonna do it definitely every week. Probably simpler things like Code Wars, I don't know, whatever homework we have. Trying not to do something extraordinary. But yeah, and yeah, definitely YouTube and Twitter. I'm growing my account on Twitter. I'll be like you, Eddie, soon. Friday and only Friday. Yeah, I know a lot of people like Friday. Finally, they're off from work, so it's easier for them, to watch streams. We'll see. We'll see. I'm not sure. Maybe one Wednesday or Friday. Oh no, no way. No way, Jose. But yeah, I have a few ideas. And also Anthony, I don't know if he's still here. He gave me an idea of like inviting people over to my stream, to code together or maybe ask questions. Yay, he's here. Like you do, Eddie. I know you do that. You go over some open source repos or GitHub profiles. So I might do that as well. Not open source, because I'm not the open source master here. You are. But yeah, I'll probably like just, ask questions like in a coffee chat. Yeah. And people, I'm sure, especially people from 100 devs, they would appreciate it. I know a lot of people like they're shy on like asking questions and at least reaching out to devs, like senior devs, and I don't have a problem with that. I've been reaching out to everyone. But the problem is like, yeah, on camera. But I think it will be fine. Yeah. So thank you so much, guys, for joining. And yeah, I'll plan. I'm definitely gonna post when my next stream is gonna be, and yeah, and planning my YouTube video. We'll see. Thank you. You inspire me. Yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, hopefully soon. I will. I will. Okay, guys. So I'll probably stop streaming in a little bit. It was really nice having all of you. I hope you have a great rest of your night. For Eddie, I hope you have a great weekend, a great day. It's already weekend for you. And yeah, enjoy weekend, enjoy time with your family. And I'll post on Twitter when is my next stream. But I really appreciate everyone that is here, that was here, just like helping me, and not making it awkward for me. Thank you so much, guys. I'm gonna stop it here then. Bye bye.